Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional gele, so watch carefully and learn. Our measurement is 50-50. You're going to make 5 pleats for the base. When you're done, you place it in front, cross it at the back, then take 2 pleats and bring forward. You're going to take 2 pleats on both flaps. When you're done taking the 2 pleats, you pin it. After pinning it to the base, you go over to the other flap and take the same 2 pleats. Then you pin, but this time around, you're going to pin at the other brow arc. So just watch carefully. When you're pinning, ensure that it's secure. Now when we are done, we go over to start making our bow-like look. So just watch carefully. Now when we are done with that, we take the other one that we pleated first and pinned. We bring it forward and place on top of or over the bow-like look. And when you're done placing it, you pin it 3 to 4 times. You pin it to the base so that it will be steady. Then you go ahead to start making your ruffles. It's not going to be very big, so just watch and see how I do it. Guys, if you don't know how to do ruffles, I have a step-by-step tutorial on my channel, so go check it out and learn from there. It's beginner friendly. Then if you want to do this other style of ruffles, you just gather everything, you pick, ensure that your ruffles is tight, then you pin at the edge or at the end. Now when we are done with the ruffles, we go ahead to start making our bow.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Guys, watch carefully. Now to make the bow on the left hand side, you're going to do it carefully, and before you make the bow, you're going to pleat downwards. You see how I'll do it. Now watch carefully, guys, and see how I tuck this in. You're going to take that part of the material, draw it inside, and every other thing is going to enter. This applies to when you're making other gele fabric like Ace or any other one that has a bulging part under. You're going to put your hand inside and draw it. You see that part I'm dragging? That's what you're going to draw. So after doing this, we are going to go ahead and cover the back before proceeding to do finishing touches. Now you're going to make your bow to your desired shape. It will not be the one I'm doing, it could be the one you like. You get, after that, you take the bow part and the ruffles part and pin together. You repeat the same thing on the other side. You take the bow and the ruffles and pin together.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Then you go ahead to use the remaining part of the back that you covered and pin together with the ruffles. This is going to make it stable. So your wedding guest or whoever you're tying this on, no matter how they dance, is not going to fall off their head.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
This is it. We are done with our gele, just ensuring that everything is okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. See our beautiful piece, very unique. Bye guys.